Stay with me till shadows claim my name. Bury me where the wild roses fade. Feel the earth close around us both. You leave and I'll be nothing but a ghost. If you're sinking, I'll drown in your waves. If you're breaking, I'll shatter the same. We're bound by something we can't unchain. A love that aches, but I crave the pain. We're both so fractured, stuck in the tide. Swore I was stronger, but I lied. 'Cause I'll love you till my breath won't rise, till my heart beats its last goodbye, till the stars all dim and fall from the sky. If it's forever, let forever die. But I'm still yours, yours tonight. Do you see what you do to me? Every touch is a bruise I need. Say you're fine, but your words feel cold. Your love's a fever and I've lost control. Keep your mask, I won't ask you why. Wear your armor, hide the cracks inside. I'd rather drown than watch you deny. This fire burns us both alive. We're both so ruined, but it feels right. I can't let go, not tonight. 'Cause I'll love you till my breath won't rise, till my heart beats its last goodbye, till the stars all dim and fall from the sky. If it's forever, let forever die. But I'm still yours, yours tonight. I swear I knew you before this life. Eyes so familiar, cut through the night. Don't say you're leaving, don't let it end. Even if we're cursed, let's pretend. I'll love you till the world goes black, till there's no time left to take us back, till the oceans dry and mountains cry. If it's forever, I'll pay for that. Still I'm yours, can't change the fact. You're the storm I won't outlast, my future tied to your haunted past. Till the light fades from your eyes, I'll love you till the day I die.